Two Crows, a short moral story. Once upon a time, there were two crows named Jolly and Slacky. One day, the weather was getting hot and dry, and they felt thirsty. However, dark clouds began to gather in the sky. Slacky believed it would rain soon and hoped for water from the rain. But Jolly felt too thirsty to wait. She decided to fly away, searching for water herself. She flew over fields and trees, searching for water. After a long search, she found a small pond hidden under a tree. Jolly drank the cool water and felt strong again. She stayed safely by the pond. Meanwhile, Slacky continued waiting for rain. But the clouds were slow. He became weaker and weaker without water. Finally, when the rain came, it was too late for Slacky. Jolly survived because she searched for what she needed. Moral: it's wise to take action when we can, rather than wait for things to come to us. Thank you for watching.